next step is to create thumbnail for a video clip. How do you do that? Simply go to the track of the video clip and locate the symbol that looks like a pen writing on a paper and click on it. It says click to edit cover. Of course, thumbnail is the cover image for your video. Click on it and it gives you two options. One is to select from video, that is, the software has helped you split your video into pictures. All you need to do is select one of them. The second option is to select from your laptop. If you have a picture prepared for that purpose, simply click on local to locate the picture. In this video, we'll simply select from video. Now let me select a picture that is engaging and represents. So I'll pick this. I like this. Once you have selected the picture, simply click on edit. Now you can either click on text to create text on your cover image, otherwise click on complete to move on. And as you can see, the thumbnail has been created right here, and this is the thumbnail for your reel. We are almost done. Now let's go on to export our video reel. To export your video reel, simply locate the export icon on the top right hand side of your software right here. Click on export to bring out the export setting. Now the first thing to do is to rename your video. Give it a title, and I'm going to call it Facebook issue, and I want to export it to the desktop. You can export it to the output folder you created earlier on by clicking on this folder icon. The rest of the setting, let it be like that, and then go on to click on export to export your video. The duration of your video will determine how long it will take for the process to complete.
Follow me for more if you have difficulty.
Now the export is completed and you can now preview your video.
Increasing your followership organically. Here are the 4 steps you should follow to increase your reach.
Very good. After previewing your video, simply go on to open folder in order to view your final outcome.